This is the bag that my mom said to. This big bag. See. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are y'all doing? I am so excited to be here. I have some exciting news to share with you all. Before then, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone that has subscribed so far. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and watching my videos. If you're any time subscriber, please don't forget to turn on post notifications as I will be dropping more and more content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So, I have got some exciting news. Woo! I am so excited to officially announce the launch of my new business. Yes, the launch of my new business. And the name of my new business is Delicacy by Susie. Delicacy by Susie. So as most of you know, like I love cooking a lot. Most okay, for people that don't know, I love cooking a lot. And during Christmas, I made some mouth-watering dishes. And people that ate it were like, "Oh my god, you know how to cook! This food is so yummy. This food is so good." And I made banana bread, during Christmas, and a lot of people that ate it gave me lots of good, comments. They said, "Oh, it was nice," and all of that. I was like, okay, since this is something like this, why not make it a business? So that's how I started Delicacy by Susie. So Delicacy by Susie focuses on Nigerian dishes, snacks, pastries, cocktails, small chops, and all of that. So if you want banana bread, jollof rice, fried rice, Chinese rice, coconut rice, Singapore noodles, whatever you want, I am your plug. So you guys, I am so happy to officially announce Delicacy by Sumi. So when I wanted to start this business, I was like, hey God, can I do this? Can I actually do this? Will I be able to, do it? But once again, when I started, it gets easy. I'm not gonna lie. I started on a very good note. I got a lot of referrals, a lot of people patronized me. So happy that, this small brand that I started is starting on a good note, and people are patronizing me. I'm so grateful. If you're one of the people that's patronized me and you're watching me right now, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for patronizing me. Thank you for supporting me. It means a lot. So I have an Instagram account which I'll be dropping the link below so you guys can go and follow me and check all the videos of my cooking and the pictures of what I've made. Check it out and drop a like there. Thank you all so much for the love. So another reason why I'm here is that I got a gift. Oh my god, I got a gift. And when I started my business, I used to go to the supermarket to get like toppings because the banana bread has toppings. So I used to go to the supermarket to get like toppings for my banana bread. And I was telling my mom one day, I was like, "Oh, mommy, I am going to the supermarket to get toppings for banana bread," and she was just listening. I didn't know that my mom had a plan, So my mom went to the market and got me things. Oh my god! And she just called me like 2 days ago. She was like, "Go to the so place and go and pick your things up." And I'm like, "What did you send?" She was like, "Don't worry, when you get there, you'll see what I sent." So you guys, I want to do an unboxing video and show you what I got. Oh my god! This particular gift bag is like all the things that I need right now as I've started my business. These are very important things that I need that I've been going to buy that now I have. So at least for now, I'll be able to, stop. I will not be going to the market as I used to because I have most of the things now. So you guys, come with me and let's do an unboxing. So you guys, this is the bag that my mom said to. This big bag. See, this is the school bag that my mom said. So let's do an unboxing together and see what is inside. So the first thing that she sent is this pan, for like cupcake sizes for banana bread. So I got this pan. I got this pan. Oh my god! It's a pan of 12, right? It's a pan of 12. It's a pan of 12. So I'm going to use it like for like cupcake sizes for my banana bread. The next thing she got is oats. I don't know if you guys can see it. She got this quicker oat for me. She got this chocolate for me, cookies and cream. Can you guys see it? Yeah. Another thing she got was this. She got this chocolate chip. Can you see it? Another thing she got is this M&Ms. I love M&Ms. See, she got this M&Ms for me. So the next thing on the list is Oreos. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, I got Oreos. I got two of these. I've already opened one because I'm running a business and I already got others, so I have to open one and use it. But then she sent Oreos, so I got two Oreos. Then I got this brush, not for non-stick pan to oil your pan, whatever. So I got this brush. I got Kit Kat. I got Kit Kat, so I am contemplating. I don't know if I should add Kit Kat to my banana bread toppings list. I don't know. Probably Nutella. So if you go to my Instagram page, I recently just posted toppings for my banana bread, and Nutella is going to be one of the toppings. So you guys, see, things I'm about to create with banana bread, the things I'm about to create with them. Eh? All right, so Nutella is one of the things that she sent to me. So another thing she got is this nutty mix. It contains raisins, granuts, dried pineapples, and another thing that I don't know. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So it looks like. Oh my god, banana bread is about to get so much better with all these toppings that I have. So you guys, if you like banana bread or if you haven't tried banana bread before, send me a DM and I'm going to, make one for you. So please patronize me. Oh. I'm not just showing you so that you can just watch it and look and go. I'm showing you so that you can patronize me because I am using quality products to actually make the banana bread. So I got this one too. Another thing she sent is this coconut candy. So the next thing she got is this icing gun with nozzles. I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, I got this one too. Icing gun with nozzles. So if I want to decorate probably my banana bread but in cupcake sizes, I can actually use this. So I am going to be using this nozzle gun to decorate my banana bread in cupcake sizes. And if you want to decorate it in the normal regular size too, you can also tell me that. So in addition to everything that I got this coconut candy from my sister. Oh my god, this thing is so tasty. I love it. All right, guys. So those are the things that I got. Most of them, I got two of most of the things that she sent, but I've already opened some of them because I'm already, baking. So I opened some of them to use. But anyways, I am so happy that I got enough toppings to use for banana bread for now. I'm happy. My mom is at the absolute best. Like my mom is the absolute best. She surprised me, and I'm so happy that I have like ingredients for my toppings now. Thank you all so much for your love. I know that this brand is already blessed. Like God has already blessed this brand, and I know that this brand is going to go very, very far. I am very, very, very positive about this one. And see, my banana bread is actually very, very affordable. So don't fear. Don't say because she's using Oreos, it's going to be like 10,000 naira. Actually, it's worth 10,000 naira, but it's not really too expensive. So please send me a DM to patronize me, and you are going to enjoy it. Like all the feedbacks I've been getting a lot of feedbacks. I've been getting a lot of reviews that it's so yummy, it's moist, it's this, is that, is nice. So don't just be hearing from me. Just come and buy and taste it yourself, and you see that I am saying the truth. So thank you all so much for the love and the support. I'm going to be posting videos of probably like a behind the scenes of how I make my banana bread, how I package it, and how I send it to my customers. So thank you all so much. Bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah.
You say nothing's wrong.